Today we're talking about how important it is to take your pet for a checkup.
Joining us today is Dr. Rena Carlson from Alpine Animal Hospital. Thank you so much for coming in today.
It's great to be here. Appreciate it.
You know, sometimes when we have pet owners think that you only take your pet in when they're sick.
Right.
But there's a little bit to be said for prevention, right?
Absolutely. And that's kind of what we wanted to talk about is wellness and the importance of finding things early. Dogs are so good at hiding their problems. They don't tell you very well something's wrong, and then it may be
Too late,
or even, you know, bad enough that it's a lot worse and it costs a lot more money at that point to take care of. So getting them in for a checkup is really important.
So, you know, when we get to a certain age, we go in to see the doctor on an annual visit. Is that something that you should take your pets in once a year at a certain age, or
through their whole life?
Oh, okay.
At least once a year is really important. If you think of dogs and how they age, they're going to age a lot quicker than us. So 1 year.
So take them in 7 times a year?
There you go, 7 times a year, precisely.
Okay.
But things can really escalate quickly. Just because they do age quicker than
Now,
we do.
beyond those then annual preventative checks, are there things that you should be looking for with your pet that are kind of clues that maybe they're not feeling great?
Absolutely. Anything that's out of the ordinary. I mean, most of the time we really know their schedule and know exactly what they do every day. And, you know, if they don't eat quite at the, you know, same enthusiastic level, or you normally go on this nice long walk and they're a little bit slow, you know, all those things are
They don't
really
even get up to
important.
bark at the mailman anymore.
There you go. That could be a problem.
Telling signs.
The garbage truck at our house.
garbage
The
truck,
garbage
yeah.
truck every Wednesday.
Sets them off.
Yes.
So when a dog or a cat comes in for their annual checkup, what are some of the things that you look for, that you go over during the checkup?
We really go from head to toe, you know, starting at the mouth, the nose, ears, eyes, of course checking their lungs, their heart. We're feeling in their abdomen, looking for problems. Skin, just really from head to toe. It's just a general exam, and of course talking about some of the things that they might be at risk for. A lot of people don't realize, you know, they could be at risk for a certain parasite and don't really know about it. So we like to discuss those things too, as well as looking at the pet. We want to know what they might be at risk for to help avoid those risks.
Are there certain things you should be looking for in certain breeds, or are there certain breeds that need more constant care?
Absolutely. Every breed has a little bit different thing. Certain breeds have more problems with their ears. Very small dogs have more problems with teeth. You know, bigger dogs, more athletic dogs may have joint problems. So a lot of different things depending on the breed, their environment, and you know, we look at nutrition. It's just a really broad overview.
The whole health system.
Absolutely.
So when you're talking about maybe a cat or a dog, and you know, maybe you don't bring it in for a couple years, and all of a sudden you start noticing some things that are different with their behavior, can that really run up the bill as far as, you know, what you're going to be paying for it than if you maybe prevented it earlier?
Prevention is the key, and that's what we're trying to do, is prevent problems. And with physical exam, with blood work, we can start kind of assessing what problems might be coming down the road, and again try to prevent those. So, you know, once they're, you know, in heart failure, there's not a lot we can do at that point. So if we can prevent or slow down the progression, it can really be.
And I'm guessing there's something to be said for consistency with the vet as well, not going from one vet to the next, so that they know your animal.
They know your animal. They know what problems they've had. They're more, you know, you're more likely
In
to
tune
open
with
up
them.
and talk with them about, you know, things that have happened. So yeah, it's really nice to have that relationship. And then when a problem does occur, you have a relationship with your veterinarian, so that you can, you know, get them in and make sure we get problems taken care of.
All right, Dr. Rena, thank you for bringing Izzy in today and for coming on the show. And if people have questions, can they call you at Alpine Animal Hospital?
Call me at Alpine Animal Hospital, 237-1111. Certainly happy to help take care of problems and prevent problems.
Absolutely, absolutely. Dr. Rena,
Thanks
thank
so
you.
much.